This video gives an overview of the installation of Stonemarket's vitrified paving. The installation process isn't too dissimilar to laying standard paving. As with any paving installation, the sub-base is all important. For most domestic applications, a sub-base of 100mm should be sufficient. A well-graded Type 1 material is ideal. This should be laid in layers not exceeding 75mm. Each layer should be fully compacted until the desired level is achieved. Levels need to be carefully calculated. This is especially important where paving is laid up to an existing structure. The finished surface level of the paving must be at least 150mm below the damp-proof course to prevent problems with rising damp. To increase adhesion, the back of the paving is coated with a slurry primer. This is Ultrascape Pro Prime. It prevents separation of the paving from the mortar bed. Vitrified paving should be laid on a full bed of wet mortar. Laying on a 5-spot bed just isn't an option. A 1 to 4 cement sharp sand mix is used. The mortar is laid to give a bed thickness of 15 to 30mm. The paving units are gently tamped down onto the mortar bed, making sure that the units are fully supported and that desired levels and falls are achieved. If the paving has to be cut, a high-quality diamond blade should be used. The finish achieved will depend on the quality of the equipment and the level of skill of the operator. Each pack of paving comes with the appropriate quantity of jointing material. The paving is first saturated with water. The sealed bag is opened and the pointing material is poured out onto the paving. It is brushed diagonally into the joints with a stiff brush, making sure each joint void is full. The jointing compound is compressed into the joint, and extra compound is brushed into any exposed or hungry joints. To achieve a perfect finish, the compound is left for at least 2 hours before being struck with a pointing iron. The paving is then gently sprayed with water, and any excess material is brushed off with a soft brush.